Hi guys, welcome to STR Education. Guys, today we are going to discuss about the topic, the subject geography, and it is the part 2 video. And in part 1 video, we have already discussed the first three topics of the geography. And as I told before that the video will give double benefit to those students who have already go through the topics we are going to discuss. As we are going through only questions, not the whole topic wise discussion. And if they have already go through these topics, like they have read the topics from any book or went through any videos, it will give a double benefit to them, as they can evaluate themselves that what stand they have now as a score or exam they can take it. And we are going to discuss the topic landform, soil, rock and volcano today. And the video is important for SSC, railway and other defense examinations or other government examinations. The questions we are going to cover are most important questions which can be asked in the upcoming examinations, and the previous year questions which have already asked in the previous year examinations. So guys, let's begin. So here we have the first question: which of the following types of clouds are associated with structure resembling the piles of cauliflower? So we have the options now: stratus, nimbus, cumulus, and none of these. So we have the answer is option number C. What are stratovolcanoes also called? The other name of the stratovolcanoes. So we have the options here: shield volcano, composite volcano, super volcano, and none of these. So here we have the answer, that is option number B, composite volcano. What is the narrow opening of volcano called? We have the options: crater, vent, dike, and none of these. Here we have the answer is option number A. Question number 4: which among the following are the most explosive volcanoes of the earth? Options are shield volcano, composite volcanoes, caldera volcanoes, and none of these. So here we have the answer, that is option number C, caldera. Which is the largest active volcanoes of the world? Here we have the options: Mount Fuji, Etna, Kilimanjaro, and Mauna Loa. So we have the answer, that is option number D, Mauna Loa. Which is the cool and steep lava called? So we have the options: blocky lava, Paho, AA, and Pillow. So answer is option number A, blocky lava. Where are volcanoes usually located? We have the options: divergent plate boundary, convergent plate boundary, hotspots, and all of the above. So we have the answer, that is all of the above options are usually located volcanoes we can found. So question number 8: what is the study of landform is called? So we have the answer, option number C, geomorphology. And seismology is also called the study of the landslides, we can say. And seismograph, in which we can see the landslide, how much landslide it has. And Richter scale, through Richter scale we can observe the landslide, how much landslides we have. Next question: the flash erosion is related to which among the following? Flood, cyclone, raindrops, and wind. We have the answer, that is option number C, raindrops. Question number 10. On which among the following does the erosional capacity of the river depend upon? So we have the options volume, density, both A and B, and neither A nor B. So we have the answer, that is option number B, both volume and density. Which of the following rocks formed from the existing rocks by undergoing the process of recrystallization? We have the options igneous rock, metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock, and none of the above. We have the answer, that is metamorphic rocks. The question number 12. Generally, in which of the following rocks fossils are found? Igneous rock, metamorphic rock, sedimentary, and none of these. So we have the answer, option number C, sedimentary rock. Shale is an example of igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, and none of the above. So we have the answer, option number B, sedimentary rock. What is the scientific study of rocks is called? Paleography, mineralogy, numismatics, petrology. We have the answer, that is option number D, petrology. And here option number C, we know numismatics is called the study of coins. Which type of igneous rock forms the majority of ocean crust? We have the options basalt, granite, quartzite, and diorite. The answer is option number A, basalt. Which is the most abundant igneous rock in the continental crust? We have the options basalt, granite, gabbro, and none of these. Option number B is the right answer, that is granite. How many percentage of volume of the Earth's crust is composed of metamorphic rocks? We have the options 99%, 8%, 53%, and 27%. So we have the right answer is option number D, 27%. What is the change in the particle size of the rock during the process of metamorphism called? We have the options sedimentation, fossilization, recrystallization, and bending. We have the answer, option number C, recrystallization. Question number 19. In which country Black Hill, Blue Hill, and Green Hill mountains are located? We have the options USA, Canada, France, and Italy. So we have the right answer, USA. Broad lower course of a river that is encroached on by the sea and affected by the tides is also known as. Options are bay, estuary, delta, and pocket beach. We have the answer, that is option number B, estuary. What is the study of landforms called? Options are sedimentology, geology, seismology, and geomorphology. We have the right answer, option number D, geomorphology. Which among the following is not a landform of second order? River valley, continental shelf, plateaus, mountains. So we have the right answer, option number A, river valley. Splash erosion is related to which among the following? Flood, cyclone, raindrop, and wind. We have the right answer, option number C, raindrop. What type of landform is a plunge hole? Options are erosional landform of wind, erosional landform of river, erosional landform of glacier, none of these. We have the right answer, option number B. Question number 25. Which kind of landform stone lattice We have the same options: erosional landform by wind, glacier, river, and none of these. So we have the right answer, that is erosional landform by wind. Which among the following does the erosional capacity of the river stream depends on? Options are volume, density, both A and B, and neither A nor B. So right answer is option number C, both volume and density depends. Question number 27. What does gas and dust in the interstellar nebula form? So options are planet, comet, star, and asteroid. We have the right answer, that is option number C, star. And it is the most important questions which belongs to universe, solar universe, and I skipped that in the previous video, so I add it in part 2 session. So question number 28. What is the process where the star gets denser and hotter, ultimately changing into helium called? We have the options: nuclear fusion, radiation, nuclear fission, none of these. Where the right answer is option number A, nuclear fusion. Which type of a star is the Sun? Red giant, blue giant, white dwarf, and main sequence. So we have the right answer, main sequence type star is the Sun. Which of the following device is used to measure the diameter of a star? Barometer, infernometer, photometer, none of these. The right answer, infernometer. Which star is directly above North Pole? Polaris, Sirius, Vega, none of these. Right answer is Polaris. Which of the following is used to measure the chemical composition of stars? Spectroscope, infernometer, barometer, and none of these. The right answer, spectroscope. What is a neutron star that spins and sends beams of radiation called? Options are quasar, white dwarf, red giant, pulsar. Answer is option number D, that is pulsar. Which among the following is a narrow ridge of rock separating two valleys? Options are Horn, Canyon, Arete, and none of these. The right answer, option number C, Arete. The landform canyon is a result of which of the following processes? Erosion, deposition, weathering, and both A and C. So right answer is option number D, both A and C. Which of the following is the longest cave system of the world? Jewel Cave, Mammoth Cave, Clean Water Cave, and none of these. We have the right answer, option number B, Mammoth Cave. Question number 37. Circuits are formed due to which of the following cases? Options are wind erosion, limestone erosion, glacial erosion, and none of these. The right answer, option number C, glacial erosion. Jord is an erosional landform created by which of the following? Options are glaciers, wind, limestone, and none of these. Answer is option number A, glacier. Which among the following landform is also called as tent, rock fair, chimney of earth pyramid? Options are Orc, Hogback, Jord, Hoodoo. So right answer is option number D, Hoodoo. What is dome shaped inselberg formed by granite and gneiss called? Options are Hoodoo, Orc, Bernhardt, and none of these. We have the right answer, that is option number C, Bernhardt. What are the landscape features that have reversed their elevation relative to their feature called? Options are Inselberg, Cuesta, flared slope, and inverted relief. Yeah, the right answer, option number D, inverted relief. Which which type of the following erosion features common in Madagascar? Options are Lahars, Lavaka, Chinook, and Hoodoo. So right answer is option number B, Lavaka. Which among the following not an example of mushroom rock? We have the options Hope Well Rocks, Fight Desert, Scores by Sond, the Kale Chain. Yeah, the right answer option number C, Scores by Sond. The color of a star indicates its distance, mass, temperature, and luminosity. We have the right answer option number C, temperature. Question number 45. Who among the following gave an extensive classification of galaxies? We have the options Edwin Hubble, Ratzell, Einstein, and none of the above. We have the right answer Edwin Hubble. Which of the following is correct about Orion? Options are galaxy, largest star, farthest planet, and constellation. We have the right answer option number B, constellation. It is also the universe question, and I skipped that, so I add that in this video. What is the approximate number of stars in the Milky Way? Options are 40 billion, 10 billion, 100 to 400 billion, million, and 100 to 400 billion. So right answer is option number D, 100 to 400 billion. Which of the following is the hottest star color? Blue, orange, yellow, and white. The right answer option number A, blue. Which among the following is not a disc-shaped galaxy? Options are elliptical galaxy, spiral galaxy, Bart spiral galaxy, and lenticulator. Bart spiral galaxy and lenticulator galaxy. So we have the right answer, that is option number A, elliptical galaxy. We have the last question. What is the channel with numerous edges called? Options are meanders, braided channel, stream channel, and none of these. So we have the right answer option number B, braided channel. So guys, these are the all 50 most important MCQs of the 4 topics we have covered the part 2 video of the subject, that is geography. And anyone want this as PDF form, they can go through our Telegram channel, and the link is in the description, and they can click on that link and go through our channel and directly download the PDF of this video. And the video will continuously go on, and we will cover all the important questions of the all GS subjects topic wise, and it is for SSC, railway, banking, and other government examinations. And also we will cover the important questions for UPSC and PCS. This will started after 15 to 20 days. We are going to start that, and if the response is very good, then we will work on that. So guys, like, share, and subscribe this video, and also comment below that where we lack in our video, and in which area we need the improvement. That's it. Jai Hind.